Poetic devices, forms and techniques explained. Alliteration, same letter or sound, big, brave, boy. Assonance, two or more words close to one another, repeat with the same vowel sounds, but start with different consonant sounds. Men sell the wedding bells. Caesura, this is a pause near the middle of a line. And couplets, a pair of successive lines of verse, typically rhyming and of the same length. My cat, she likes to chase the mouse, especially one that's in the house. Enjambment, moving over from one line to another without termination or punctuation mark. The moon moved above the clouds, suspended between night and dawn. First person narrative is when a character is speaking about him or herself, sharing events that they are experiencing. Can be recognised by using I or we. Hyperbole, an exaggeration of ideas for the sake of emphasis. She's as old as the hills. Iambic pentameter, this is a metric pattern in lines of poetry when unstressed syllables are alternated with stressed syllables. There are 5 sets of these in the line of poetry, 5 beats in a line. But soft, what light through yonder window breaks. Metaphor, say how it is. She is an angel. Personification, giving an object or an animal human characteristics to create imagery. My computer throws a fit every time I use it. Repetition, repeating the same words or phrases a few times to make an idea more memorable. If you think you can do it, you can do it. Rhythm or rhyme scheme, pattern of a rhyme that comes at the end of each line of poetry. Simile, this is using like or as. She was like an angel. Stanza, a group of set lines within a poem. Oxymoron, 2 words used together that have opposite meanings. Deafening silence. Onomatopoeia, using words that include sounds. Bang, whoosh, and finally Volta. This is the turning point within the poem or sonnet. This one shows a location change but not an action change. Then I'm home on leave, but I blink and he burst in again.